Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab Active 5 and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and in this left section we have to scroll down to find digital well-being and parental controls. So let's tap on it. And as you can see here, we've got the graph or a line which will show us for how long we've been using the device today. We can change the apps to the categories if you want, to some other and the social options. We can tap directly on this graph and we will be transferred to the dashboard, which will show and allow us to compare the usage time in particular days. You can tap on the particular day and check how much time you've spent on the particular sections or apps actually, or you can change it to categories and then you can see the sections. So this is the first way, and the second way, you can tap directly on one app, so for example the settings, and again you can check in this dashboard how much time you've spent on them. So basically this is how it works here. Of course you can set some screen time goals, so it will help you to actually limit the usage of the apps and the screen overall. And here we've got some options also, just like the parental controls. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.